Okay, so the wiring is really simple. All you need is the active buzzer, and you just need to get two female to male wires and connect one of them to the ground and the other to the 8 on the Arduino.
Okay, so the code is also fairly easy. So before the void setup, we're gonna make two variables called melody and duration. So melody is gonna have a bunch of notes and it's gonna be an array. So int melody. And this will equal a bunch of notes that I already copied to save time. So let me just paste them in here. So note C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B5, and C6. So then after that, we need to create a variable called duration. So int duration equals 500 semicolon. And then we don't need to do anything in the void setup. We can go straight to the loop. So in the loop, we're going to create a for loop. So for int this note, so we're creating a variable called this note, which is basically going to keep track of what note we're on in this for loop. So this note equals 0, and since we have 8 notes, we're gonna make this whole thing repeat 8 times. Each time it's gonna go on to the next note. So this note is smaller than 8, and this note plus to make it go higher. And then after that, we're gonna do tone, which is like this function that plays the sound. Tone 8, so it's gonna input it out of the 8. Melody, so we gotta play the melody on this note. So whatever note it's on, it's gonna play that. Let's see, so if it was 1, it would play the first one, 2 would play this, and so on. And we're gonna play it for only half a second, so duration. And then after that, we need to do, don't want to forget the semicolon. And then we just want to delay it for a second every time after it plays a note. And then at the end of the whole entire thing, we want it to wait 2 seconds and then play again. So delay 2000. And there we go. And now we can verify and see if everything's okay. Oh yeah, we need to add this library that allows us to use all of these C5 and the tone. So it's going to sketch, include library, add zip library, this PC, and find where you downloaded the illegal file. Click on paste with buzzer, and here you'll find the pitches.zip. Just click on it and press open. For me, a library named pitches already exists, so I'll just include it. Include pitches.h. And there, now we can verify and see if everything's okay. Yep, everything's good, so we can upload.
Okay, see, now I plugged it in and it's making the sort of do-re-mi tune. See, it stops. See, it's playing it every second. And then once it finishes, it waits for 2 seconds and then it plays again.